guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Simply Amazing, and if you're new here, welcome. Take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Anyways guys, as you can see, the brows are done. Yes. So we're going to get straight into the eyeshadow look, but first I'm going to base my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. My white one actually finished, and I'm not come out of my mouth to get no more, so I just have to go improvise. To use the Real Techniques concealer brush and blend out it. Blend it all over my lids. Spread it like butter. Okay, so guys, now that's blended and we're looking like what do you call it? Rakugun? Yeah. I'm going to take my Beauty Creations Ruby palette. This is more of a neutral, warm browns, crease colors type of palette. Yeah, I do have a like that one. So I'm going to take that palette. I'm going to take this brown right here, and again these shadows don't have names, so I'm going to take this one right here. It's more of a like a dark cool tone brown, and I'm going to place that right in my crease area. And guys, if you have hooded eyes and after you put on your concealer you realize your concealer is creasing, you can always go in with your finger and blend it out so that it warms up the concealer and it melts right into the skin. Now I'm going to press that shade right into the crease. I pack on the color to my liking. I'm going to gently diffuse the ends. Just a little bit. Diffuse the ends. Or blend out the ends. Going with this brown. I'm going to go with this one first. With the same brush, I'm just going to flip it. And I'm going to further diffuse that color. So guys, now that our crease colors are blended on both eyes, I'm going to cut the crease. So the same concealer we used to set the eyelid, to set the eye. Listen, the same concealer we used to set the eye, that is what we're going to use to cut the crease. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. That's far enough. So oh, and guys, if the lighting keep on blinking and go in and out while I'm cutting the crease or while I'm doing my makeup tutorial overall, I really cannot do anything about it. I try adjusting it while editing, but I'm not a professional editor, and every time I try to change something, it changes the whole lighting in the video, so bear with me, please. Now that the crease, the ends are blended out, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to use a fluffy shader brush and I'm going to pack it onto the lid. No particular order or shape, I'm just using that to set the concealer because I don't really want to put down my glitters on the concealer itself. Because as you know, the LA Girl Pro concealer is not really a matte concealer. Now that the concealer is set, my Beauty Creations glitter palette, and I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this one here and this neon pinkish. There is a glitter, so this neon pink one and this holographic one. I'm gonna put that on the lid. And when you're using pressed glitters, you don't necessarily have to use a glitter glue because the pressed glitters are already flat. So today I'm not going to use a glitter glue. Okay, so now guys, the colors that we went into our crease area, we're going to go in with those same colors underneath the lower lash line. Guys, really and truly, I just wanted to feel a tad bit cuter today. I'm gonna just draw from my own little. I didn't want it to be bone straight, but I kinda straighten out some of the curls that were in it. If you guys would like to see hair tutorials or kinda ish hair tutorials, we do promising on them. But if you don't want to see tutorials like wig making or maybe just pressing out a wig just for fun, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to add my lippy. Because it's a kinda ish colorful look, I don't know what kind of lippy I want to use. I don't want to go too nude. gloss. So I feel like I'm gonna use this color. It's the Beauty Creations matte lip gloss in the shade dark chocolate. Anyways, this I feel like this color. I feel like this lip color. It looks so good on my lips and complements my skin tone. Anyways, guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, you can tell I'm feeling myself, right? This is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, remember to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, and let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section. It's pretty simple, it's very simple to me, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, go and big up on yourself.